DesignModo Website Builder Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. DesignModo Website Builder is a versatile tool designed for professionals and beginners looking to create sleek, responsive websites without heavy coding. This platform stands out for its ease of use, offering drag-and-drop functionality paired with an intuitive interface. It caters to startups, designers, and small businesses seeking professional-grade websites that look modern and visually stunning. One of its most appealing features is the blocks system, which allows users to assemble pre-designed content blocks for sections like headers, forms, or galleries, enabling rapid site creation. In terms of strengths, DesignModo excels in design flexibility and customization. It provides stunning templates optimized for performance and mobile responsiveness, ensuring your site looks great on any device. The platform supports clean HTML CSS exports, making it ideal for users who want to refine their site outside the builder. The included design tools, like the Citer.io builder, enhance creativity, letting you customize typography, colors, and layouts with precision. Plus, its seamless integration with email marketing tools makes it a great choice for brands wanting to streamline communications. However, no platform is perfect. DesignModo's pricing can be a drawback for some, especially when compared to competitors offering more budget-friendly plans. While it is user-friendly, absolute beginners may face a slight learning curve understanding its design-centric approach. Additionally, the platform is best suited for smaller-scale projects. Larger enterprises may find its features somewhat limited compared to robust alternatives like Webflow or WordPress. In summary, DesignModo Website Builder is a powerful tool for users who prioritize sleek, modern designs and straightforward website creation. While it may not cater to enterprise-level needs or those on tight budgets, it delivers exceptional value for creative professionals and businesses wanting a polished online presence. If these features align with your goals, it's certainly worth considering.